you see it?
Yes, I can see it. What was that for? So we added some music into this. So that's some music to be
Come on,
Get me a drink. Can you get me a drink? Can you get drinks at Kelsey?
yeah.
I'm thirsty. For some drinks. Why you make me look at that? I'm looking at this outside.
You might need to hold it. Hold it.
I'm the cameraman now. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And
Focus on the car.
focus on the path. Focused on the path. My steepest stairs ever, guys. Look at us. Can I have it back in the I'm gonna cross. It's been 4 minutes. We're nearly here. Dad, do you trust me as the cameraman now? Because I'm holding it. Are we good? Okay. What? tell me when to stop it.
I will.
What?
I will. We need to edit your points now.
Yeah.
Right, push the red button then.